Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer chicken legs. Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to get started on these chicken legs in the air fryer, and we are going to season them, make them so delicious, and get them really crispy in the air fryer. So first, I'm going to use one of these handy dandy little bag holders to put my bag in. Now, don't come at me talking about don't use plastic. You do what you want to do. I'm using this, so get over it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some tongs and put the chicken legs. I've got 8 chicken legs here. I'm going to put them in my bag. Look at how easy that is. You could also use a bowl with a lid. A big bowl with a lid. I don't have one, so that's why I'm using this. So we're going to put all of the chicken legs in this bag. And now we're going to add our seasonings. I've got a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, so now we can take the bag off of here. And we're going to shake it. We're going to close it first. Make sure you get one that's got a nice, good, secure zipper on it. We're going to distribute all of the seasoning onto the chicken. That looks good. So we've got our air fryer basket here, and we've already preheated it and sprayed it. We preheat it for 5 minutes at 380 degrees. Now, all of these chicken legs, 8 chicken legs, are going to fit in my 6-quart air fryer basket. I'm just going to dump them in there. That's how easy this recipe is. So we're going to move them around to where they fit. It's okay if, they're going to be touching. You just want to move them around so they fit nicely in there. Easy peasy. Just like that. So now these are going to cook at 380 degrees for 15 minutes. We're going to flip them, and then they're going to cook for 15 minutes more. Okay, here are our air fryer chicken legs out of the air fryer, and they look so delicious. So let's cut into one and try a bite. Let's see. Ooh, juicy, so juicy. The plate keeps moving. So we made sure these were ready by using a meat thermometer. Look at how juicy those are. You can see how juicy they are after I cut into one. So let's try a bite. Those are perfectly seasoned. They're so flavorful. You know, you can also make a whole chicken in your air fryer. You need to go check out this recipe. It's a whole chicken in the air fryer. It's one of my most popular recipes because it's so good. It tastes just like a rotisserie chicken. Go check out that recipe and this recipe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.